The charts are ablaze and Wall Street is here. We were partially correct, it seems, when we assumed that the major players were the only ones responsible for such irrational price spikes. As we all know, Wall Street just disclosed that it has now infiltrated Shiba Inu. But something very unexpected happened in the last day. For all owners of Shiba Inu, this is a very essential video. So let's go right to the point and not waste a single second of this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu has lately gained prominence in the quick-paced world of cryptocurrencies thanks to an amazing rise in market performance. Shiba Inu, which is now at a 23-month high, has not only made a comeback into the top 10 list of biggest assets, but has also emerged as the third highest gainer, with a whopping 50% gain only today. With this rise, the total growth over the last 7 days has increased by an astounding 290%, confirming its ranking as one of the top weekly gainers in the market. The official Shiba Inu Twitter account, which is well known for drawing attention from the community, recently sent a playful message with moon emojis, which increased the enthusiasm. The image, which featured a dog gazing intently at the moon via a telescope, alluded to a bullish trend and gave a subdued but impactful indication of the Shiba Inu breed's potential for expansion. This bullish momentum is more than just a passing fad. Shiba Inu had a dramatic jump in the last week. The asset held up well in the face of selling pressure, a tenacity that added to the community's optimism over Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu community has been ecstatic with the recent developments after going through a protracted bearish phase that lasted for 2 years. The commonly held opinion is that Bitcoin is now reaching its full potential, that is, sending a Shiba Inu to the moon. Community conversations now center on optimistic forecasts, and the 10-cent milestone is being avidly discussed. The community's difficult years stand in sharp contrast to this general positivity. Therefore, Shiba Inu aficionados celebrate this increase as a victory. And when we go further into the data, we see an intriguing pattern. Both retail and institutional players are accumulating large numbers of Shiba Inu. But when fresh news emerges, the narrative becomes more complex. It seems that Wall Street has joined the Shiba Inu League, which is a significant development in the history of cryptocurrencies. And the real deal is this: the availability of Shiba Inu is limited, very different from a lot of other cryptocurrencies. Given the token's limited supply of about 500 trillion, the present purchasing pressure may pave the way for an important turning point in Shiba Inu's history. How far will the price be driven up by this purchasing frenzy is still the unanswered issue. Are we about to see something historic in Shiba Inu history? Watch the video to learn more about the subtleties of Shiba Inu's supply dynamics. Examine the participation of Wall Street recently, and explore the possible situations that may materialize in the days ahead. You won't want to miss the insights and analysis that might influence Shiba Inu's future, since this could be a pivotal moment for the breed. Let's now turn our attention to Wall Street financial analyst Linda Jones, a well-known individual who is well known for her pro-XRP position and who recently shared her excitement for Shiba Inu. She revealed that Shiba Inu is a part of her diverse cryptocurrency portfolio in a tweet, along with some interesting thoughts on its unexpected recent success. Even though Jones is still a strong proponent of XRP, he stressed the need of adopting diversification as a strategy for becoming a wise investor. She said, "And it gives me great joy that so far, all of them are outperforming Bitcoin," in her own words. This claim highlights the important part Shiba Inu is playing in her portfolio, as she stands out as one of the top achievers so far this year. Furthermore, doing this can be a really wise move. It is a wise strategic decision to diversify your Bitcoin holdings, especially given how erratic the market is. Linda Jones' choice to diversify her assets and distribute her risk across a variety of assets is shown by the inclusion of Shiba Inu in her cryptocurrency holdings. By lessening the influence of market swings on a single asset, This strategy makes it easier for investors to negotiate the uncharted territory. Furthermore, in light of Shiba Inu's recent upsurge, Linda Jones' support lends the cryptocurrency more legitimacy as it becomes more well-known among seasoned financial experts in addition to the community. Shiba Inu's path becomes even more fascinating and worthy of serious observation when considering the consequences of her optimistic position in conjunction with the larger dynamics of the market. And now you may be asking yourself, what makes Wall Street's foray into a certain cryptocurrency such a good thing? Actually, however, it's more than simply a notable occasion. Shiba Inu is seeing a strong bullish indication at this time. When Wall Street begins experimenting with cryptocurrencies, it shows renewed faith in the asset. First of all, Wall Street doesn't only dabble in various markets. It offers significant financial clout. Shiba Inu may see a spike in liquidity due to Wall Street's enormous investment potential, which might push the stock's price to all-time highs. This inflow of institutional capital may have a beneficial snowball effect, drawing in other investors looking for chances to make significant returns. Furthermore, Wall Street's engagement often denotes a careful analysis of the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies. An air of validity and reliability is suggested by the fact that seasoned financial experts such as Linda Jones are actively interacting with Shiba Inu. The market as a whole and other institutional investors may become more confident as a result of this due diligence, which might raise the value of Shiba Inu. Furthermore, Shiba Inu may become more widely accepted and integrated into traditional financial institutions as a result of Wall Street's arrival. With increased awareness and acceptability, investor confidence may be further bolstered, establishing Shiba Inu as a respectable and feasible asset in the broader financial scene. And now for something very crucial. Call me crazy if you will, but this is just the beginning. Let's take a moment to reflect on the momentous occasion that changed the game and gave rise to the current frenzy in the cryptocurrency world, the approval of the first ever Bitcoin ETF. This historic event created new opportunities for institutional engagement and is largely responsible for the current cryptocurrency craze. Following this trend, big firms have been aggressively engaging in the market, garnering media attention for their daily purchases of Bitcoin valued at hundreds of millions of dollars. BlackRock is one such participant. What's interesting, however, is the approach they've taken for these transactions, over-the-counter or OTC methodology. OTC may seem like fancy financial speak to you, but let me to explain it in layman's words. Assume you are interested in purchasing a rare valuable item from a collector. By approaching the collector personally, you avoid going to a public auction where your bids might affect the final price. This private one-on-one exchange is comparable to over-the-counter OTC trading in Bitcoin. Here are the breaking stories from the previous day. Even though there isn't any Bitcoin on the OTC market right now, BlackRock clients are nevertheless buying hundreds of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency every day. The combination of ongoing strong demand and scarcity in the OTC market puts Bitcoin in a potentially combustible position. You see, a shortfall in the over-the-counter market has the potential to throw off the supply and demand equilibrium and drive up the price of Bitcoin to previously unheard of heights. There is a significant desire for Bitcoin, as shown by the sheer size of daily investments made by industry heavyweights like BlackRock. This unfulfilled demand may serve as the impetus for a parabolic rise in the price of the cryptocurrency. Such events have the ability to kick off a chain reaction in the cryptocurrency sector, affecting market sentiment and maybe igniting a big price increase. This is where the story becomes more complicated. Breaking news on the scarcity of Bitcoin in the over-the-counter market is not just positive for the cryptocurrency. It's also having an impact on altcoins and the whole cryptocurrency scene. And in the middle of this cryptocurrency tempest, Shiba Inu is one altcoin that has been especially sensitive to all of the twists and turns in the story of Bitcoin. We've seen a peculiar tango between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin trends in recent days. It's becoming clear that Shiba Inu responds to every change in the Bitcoin market with more sensitivity than any other altcoin. The symbiotic link between Bitcoin and Shiba Inu raises the possibility that the Shiba Inu community is about to experience something really significant. It is imperative that we closely monitor Shiba Inu's reaction to the unfolding happenings in the larger cryptocurrency market as we maneuver through this ever-changing terrain. The future may provide hints that lead to important discoveries, and the complex relationships between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin may hold the key to opening the next chapter in Shiba Inu's story. Note that this video does not include any financial advice. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.